So, this soup is really warm.
Yes, it is. It's definitely not cold.
Right. That's good. I hate cold soup. Unless it's gazpacho, of course. Have you ever had gazpacho?
Once in Spain. It was okay.
I like the wallpaper here. It has a very 1970s feel to it. Or maybe 1980s? I'm not an expert on wallpaper.
Me neither. I usually just paint my walls white. It's easier.
So, do you have any hobbies besides white walls?
I read a lot. Currently, I'm reading a book about the history of salt. It's actually quite fascinating.
Salt? Wow. I usually just put it on my fries. I didn't know it had enough history for a whole book.
Oh, it changed the world. Wars were fought over salt.
I'm sorry, I'm usually better at talking than this. I'm just a little nervous.
To be honest, I am too. Maybe we should just admit that this is awkward and start over?
I'd love that. Hi, I'm Mark. I'm nervous and I know nothing about salt.
Hi, Mark. I'm Sarah. Let's talk about something other than the soup. I am so sorry. Please don't be angry. There was an accident on the subway, and then I couldn't find a taxi, and then my phone died, so I couldn't even text you.
It's been 45 minutes, Sarah. I've already finished my appetizer and read the entire drink menu twice.
I know, I feel terrible. I was running to get here and I actually tripped and dropped my bag. Everything fell out. It was like a scene from a bad comedy movie.
Are you okay? You didn't hurt yourself, did you?
Just my pride and maybe my knee a little bit. I really wanted to make a good impression tonight, and now I look like I've just finished a marathon.
Well, you're here now. That's the important thing. But I have to admit, I was starting to think you had stood me up.
I would never do that. I've been looking forward to this all week. Can I buy you a drink to make up for the wait? Or maybe a very expensive dessert?
How about we just order dinner? I'm starving, but you have to promise that next time you'll leave the house 20 minutes earlier.
I promise. From now on, I'll be the most punctual person you know.
I'll believe it when I see it. Now, let's look at the menu. Hi, you must be Elena. I recognized you from your photo immediately. You look even better in person.
Oh, hello. I think you might be mistaken.
No, I don't think so. Red dress, blue bag, and you said you'd be sitting near the window. It's me, Mark, from the Love Match app.
Mark, I'm sure you're a very nice person, but my name is Claire, and I'm actually waiting for my husband. We're celebrating our 10th anniversary tonight.
Oh, oh no. Your husband.
Yes, that's him over there, coming back from the restroom. He's the one who looks very confused about why a stranger is sitting at our table.
I am so incredibly sorry. I saw the red dress in the window and I'm so embarrassed.
Don't worry about it. It happens. There's actually another woman in a red dress sitting in the far corner. Maybe that's your Elena.
Oh, yes, I see her now. She's looking at her phone and looking quite annoyed. You'd better go over there quickly before she leaves. Good luck with your date, Mark. Thank you, Claire. Happy anniversary to you and your very large husband. Goodbye.
Oh no, Mark, don't look now, but my ex-boyfriend just walked into the restaurant.
I immediately looks over. Where? The guy in the leather jacket?
I told you not to look. Yes, that's him, Jason. We broke up 6 months ago, and it was not a very clean break.
He's coming this way. Do you want to hide under the table Or should we just pretend we're having the most romantic conversation in the world?
The second one. Talk to me. Tell me something funny. Make me laugh so I look like I'm having the best time ever.
Did you know that a group of flamingos is called a flamboyance and that they are born gray, not pink?
Hi, Mark. You're so hilarious. I've never met anyone as clever as you.
He's stopped at the table next to us. He's looking at you. He looks a little bit jealous.
Good. Keep going. Tell me more about birds.
Well, penguins propose to their partners with a pebble. It's very romantic, actually. And that's why I think we should go to Paris next week, Sarah.
Oh, Paris. Oh, you're too much. Whisper, is he gone yet?
He just sat down at the bar. I think we're safe. But now I actually want to go to Paris. So, Sarah, I was reading about your job on your profile. It sounds like you do a lot of international marketing. What's the most interesting country you've been to?
Uh-huh. Yeah. International. It's great. Oh, sorry. I just need to reply to this tweet. It's very important.
Okay. So, as I was saying, have you ever been to Japan? I've always wanted to go there for the food.
Japan. Oh, I love sushi. Ping. Another sound. Wait, someone just liked my Instagram post. Look at this photo of my avocado toast from this morning. It's got 50 likes already.
That's a lot of likes for bread. But Sarah, we're on a date. Do you think you could put the phone away for just a few minutes so we can actually talk?
Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm just so used to being connected, you know? I feel like if I don't check my notifications, I'm missing out on life.
I think you're missing out on the person sitting right in front of you.
You're right. You're totally right. Okay, no more phones, I promise. Tell me more about Japan.
Well, I was saying that.
I'm not looking. It's probably just my mom, or a breaking news alert, or a sale at my favorite shoe store.
Maybe we should just text each other across the table. It might be easier for you.
That was a delicious meal. I think that chocolate lava cake was the best thing I've ever tasted.
It was great. The waiter brings the bill. Okay, let me see. Oh,
What's wrong? Is the total higher than you expected?
Sarah, this is incredibly embarrassing. I've brought my old wallet, the one that only has my gym membership and a library card in it. My credit cards are in my other jacket at home.
Are you serious? Is this the part where you tell me you have to wash the dishes to pay for the meal?
I wish, but they have a dishwasher for that. I am so sorry. I was so nervous about the date that I forgot to check my pockets before I left.
Don't worry about it, Mark. It's 2026. I can pay for dinner. You can just pay me back later, or better yet, you can pay for our second date.
Relieved. You're a lifesaver, and yes, there will definitely be a second date. I'll bring 2 wallets next time just to be sure.
One wallet with money in it will be enough, I think. Handing the card to the waiter. But I'm going to tell everyone this story, you know.
I deserve that. At least now I know you like me for my personality and not for my library card. So, tell me a little bit about yourself, Sarah. What are you looking for in a partner?
Well, to be perfectly honest, I'm looking for someone who doesn't chew with their mouth open. My last boyfriend did that, and it drove me crazy. Also, you have a tiny bit of spinach in your teeth right now.
Quickly covering his mouth. Oh, thanks for telling me.
No problem. I believe in being 100% honest. Like, I should probably tell you that your hair looks a bit different than it did in your profile picture. Is it thinner or just a different style?
Awkwardly. It's just the lighting, I think.
And I noticed you ordered the steak. Did you know that red meat is linked to all sorts of health problems? I usually prefer men who eat more vegetables. It shows they care about their future.
Putting his fork down. Wow,
You really don't hold back, do you?
Why should I? Life is too short for games. If I don't like your shoes, which are a bit too square for my taste, I'm going to tell you. It saves time.
I see. Well, in the spirit of honesty, I think your no-filter approach is a little bit intimidating.
Smiling. Good. I like a man who can handle the truth. Now tell me, do you always wear that much cologne or is it a special occasion? Mark, I have to say, this has been the best date I've had in years. The conversation was great, the music was perfect, and we have so much in common.
I was thinking the same thing, Sarah. I've never met someone who also enjoys 1950s jazz and collects vintage stamps. It's almost too good to be true.
I know, and we both have the same favorite movie. I feel like we've known each other for years instead of just 2 hours.
Leaning in. I'm so glad we swiped right. I've been looking for someone like you for a long time.
Me too. There's just one small thing.
What's that?
Well, you mentioned earlier that you're a huge fan of the city's football team.
Oh, yes. I haven't missed a game in 10 years. I even have a tattoo of the team logo on my arm. Why?
Sighing. My father is the head coach of their biggest rivals. In my family, wearing your team's colors is like a declaration of war. My brothers would never let you into the house.
Stunned. You're kidding. Your dad is Coach Miller?
Yes. So, unless you're willing to change your loyalties, this might be a very short romance.
Looking at his tattoo, this might be a problem. So, Sarah, I've been thinking about the future. I really want to move out of the city in the next year. I want a house with a big garden and maybe some chickens.
Eyes wide. Chickens? Mark, we've only been on 3 dates. Are we talking about our future or just your future?
Well, I'd hope you'd be part of it. I can see us living in a quiet village, growing our own vegetables, and enjoying the silence.
Laughing nervously. Silence? I love the noise. I love being able to walk to a club at 2 a.m. or get coffee at a 24-hour cafe. The thought of a quiet village sounds like a nightmare to me.
But don't you want to settle down? Have a family? A dog?
Maybe in 10 years. Right now, I want to travel. I want to work from my laptop in Bali or Lisbon. I'm not ready for chickens, Mark. I don't even have a plant.
Oh, I guess I've been moving a bit too fast in my head.
Just a little bit. How about we just focus on finishing this dinner before we start buying farm equipment?
Smiling. Fair enough. No more talk about chickens tonight, I promise.
Mark, I've had a wonderful time tonight, but before we see each other again, there's something I need to tell you. I don't like keeping secrets.
Looking concerned. Okay, you're making me a little nervous. Is it something serious?
It depends on how you feel about fame.
Fame? Are you a secret princess or a world-famous hacker?
Laughing. No, nothing like that. But you know that viral song that everyone is using on TikTok right now? The one about the cat who lost its hat?
Yes, everyone knows that song. It's been stuck in my head for weeks. Wait, are you the singer?
I'm the person who wrote it. And now I have 3 million followers, and people sometimes stop me on the street to ask for a photo.
Staring at her. You're the cat hat girl? I can't believe it. My little sister is obsessed with you.
Blushing. Yes, it's a bit overwhelming. I just wanted to tell you because if we go out again, there might be cameras or people might recognize me. Is that okay with you?
Are you kidding? I'm dating a celebrity. But you have to promise me one thing.
What?
You have to teach me the dance. I've been trying to learn it for days, and I'm terrible at it.
Laughing. It's a deal.